supposed to be a Christmas gift, but then I'm so excited, so I'm gonna open it now. Is it filming? I did no. This is the secure. This is the phone. It's so cold. It's what is the color? Sakura Pink, I think. Yeah, I watched plenty of reviews, so I know how it's called. I peel out the plastic.
No, you continue with the cable or not?
Okay, leave it here. Here below we have this. I don't know how this is called. I saw that plenty of times. I don't know.
SIM. For the SIM.
For to open the slot for the SIM. Here we have.
Because you receive a
Quick start
a SIM card with it.
Yeah, SIM card.
The same.
With it.
The same as your. The same number as your.
Same phone number as my old phone.
Which is the one is prepaid in this time. It's
same number as my old phone, which was a prepaid, but then this one now is postpaid for my new phone. Warranty card. It's a quick charge block. Is that how it's called? Okay. Here we have the cable with a USB-C.
It is a USB-C?
Yeah. If I show it.
If you want.
Okay. Isn't there supposed to... Oh, I'm telling myself. And then there's also earphone. Like this, they're different from the phone that I have now. They're not shaped like this. And then is there anything else below? And then that's it.
Okay.
Wait, do you want me to peel off the plastic?
Okay. Is there a cover in front?
No.
No? Yeah, it's cold because it's...
yeah, you can see my fingers.
Okay. So
this was the unboxing. This was the unboxing of the Huawei P20 Lite Sakura Pink color.
Which is my Christmas gift.
Which is my early opened Christmas gift. Bye.